windows are gonna need cleaning tonight. So, a cleaning we will do. So this is all that I use is Mark's glass cleaner, or auto glass cleaner. I use that stuff, or just regular glass cleaner. And blue paper towels. Yes, they match my shirt. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to clean windows. As I'm going to get up here, try not to fall backwards, is spray, light spray, and my phone's going off for some reason. Text message or Snapchat, I don't know which, but now the key to make sure you're doing this right is to have the paper towel as flat as possible and exert pressure on the paper towel. Thus, yes, I know it's streaking, but we'll get to that in a minute, is the more pressure you put on the paper towel, the cleaner, or the more likely it is to get all the dirt and crap off. Look at that. Yuck. And then what you do is you put that one there. You get dry paper towel and you just go over it with that, like such. Now we'll go in the, oh, we gotta do this bottom one too real quick. I almost forgot. Let's see, put my foot there. Okay. Again, keep the towel as flat as possible. And then you just flip it over. And then you just do it the same way as the front window. And then do the same thing to the front as well. Again, making sure that the paper towel is flat, because if you don't have it flat, it will make it streak. And streak streaks on window is not good, especially when you're trying to farm and do all kind of other stuff. Well, that looks better, and I can actually see all the windows now. Well, I think I've done a pretty daggone good job. I know you're not supposed to do this, but I'm going to anyways, as they are dirty. They're all scratched up. But just for the heck of it, since I have the glass cleaner in my hands, I'm going to clean my glasses, because I know you're not supposed to scratch your dust in them. You're supposed to blow them. Well, I tried blowing them. That didn't work. But, yeah. Well, I guess just any old glass cleaner will work on eyeglasses. Granted, I can't carry the little spray crap that they give you all the time, but with me. They look better than they did before.